In this lesson, you are going to learn about pulse. Now, a pulse is a type of rhythm. It's a group of identical sounds that repeats at the same volume, so the same loudness, and at the same speed. So it's not going to speed up, it's not going to slow down. No pulse is louder or more quiet than the pulse that comes before or after it. So a pulse is a group of completely identical sounds that are all exactly the same. There's no difference between them. And we can see from this nifty little graphic here that sure enough, we can see noise levels here. So this is talking about how loud something is. We can see time here. So this is talking about, well, how long are we listening to this for? And then we have our sounds and then silences, sounds. And we can see that all these sounds, they're exactly the same. And they have the same amount of space between them, and they're all exactly the same loudness or the same volume. Let's listen to the example of a pulse. Okay, every sound is exactly the same. No sound is different from the sound that came before, and there's an even amount of time between each sound. We're going to listen to it one more time. Okay, bringing it on back. Here it is. Listen to it. Exactly the same every single time. It's so the same that you can actually anticipate and feel and guess when the next one's going to come because it's so even. It's so reliable. So that's a pulse. A pulse is a type of rhythm because there sure enough is sound and then there is silence. And we're hearing the pulse because there is, well, there's sound and then there is silence. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.